Little Wriggler, play and learn.
Okay, so you see, you can't get this train to come onto these tracks. So if we change it around and make a loop that comes around here, then we'll be able to do it, okay?
Yeah.
So let's change this one the other way, like this. Can you get one of the funny bits that goes end to end? I think they're over there, look. Yeah. Oh, you'll need another one for this, probably.
No, I got it.
Oh, yeah, you got it. Well done. Okay. Can you get me another turning piece? Over there.
Oh, alright. Dad, I'm taking what you need.
Yeah, thank you.
What do you want?
I want it here. Can you add it there?
Okay.
Let's see if it will come together with this other one. Will it come together?
Yeah.
I think we can just about make it work. There we go. Now that means we can run the train from that side all the way to here. Okay. But hold on a second. We need to be able to get a taxi or a bus or something here, which means we need to change this bit too.
We need the railway.
We need the railway crossing. That's right. Okay, can you add the railway crossing there?
I'm sorting out this side. I'm sorting out this side.
Okay, can you sort that side? You need one of these, Ollie. Look, we need one of those there somewhere.
I need this piece. I need this piece.
Oh, you need another funny piece. Have you got another funny piece? Do we have another funny piece? That one. Yeah, put that one there. That's another funny piece. That one. You put that one there or there. Doesn't matter. Now see if you can join those up there. Can I have those two junction bits? Yeah, because we need to have a junction here.
Junction bits.
Do you?
Yes, I need one because I need space for the trains to park.
I see. Okay. Now we need to turn these ones to join each other. I need a turning bit. Can you connect that bit? This one. Connect that one.
Which one?
Piece that you have in your hand to fill the gap. That gap over there. Now we need to fill this gap. How do we fill this gap? You fill it with this one. Look. There you go. Can you put that in? There you go. All right. Now can I have that long one? Last one. That long one right there. Yes. Now can you put it there? You can put it there, put the stop there. That's good. Now, I think this will work. Shall we get your train and test it? See if we can bring it round to this side of the station first, and then see if we can connect all the way around to the other side of the station. You ready to go?
Yeah.
See if it will work. Choo-choo. Right, so we made it to the first side of the central station. Okay, good. So we stop and pick up the lady. All right. Now we continue. Now, how are we going to get to the other side? Oh, don't leave the carriage behind. How are we going to get to the other side? We need to go across the other way. Yeah, that way. All right, see if we can go that way. Oops, you left the carriage behind again. All right. There we go. Now we got to the other side. Great. Now we can pick up the other lady. Now, can you see if we can get back around to this side again? How can we get back around to this side again?
What?
Yeah, that's it. Well done.
Dad, there's music in the train.
Is there music in the train? Okay, cool. We're going to take it off through the tunnel. Through the tunnel, good. What about these ones?
Yeah, the point.
Points have to be changed. All right. Now you can bring it all the way back. Whoops, you lost your carriage again.
Yeah, nice on this one.
Right. And now you can get back to where you started from, can't you? There you go. So our track system works. We can get all the way around on both sides.